Harrie Vegan Resto. Hello guys, my name Herryono Soegiarto from Bumigora University. Today I will introduce you a vegan snack product, which can be one of my recommendations if you want to try a vegan lifestyle. But before that, let me explain a little bit about what is vegan. Vegan is defined as a lifestyle that seeks to avoid all forms of animal exploitation, including for food, clothing, cosmetic, or other purposes. Therefore, a vegan diet avoids not only animal meat, but also dairy products, eggs, and food items of animal origin. Now, let's get into the product I carry. Introducing you guys, this is Kakapy snack Kedelai. Kakapy snack Kedelai is processed vegan soybean product from Harrie Vegan, Dapur Sayur Vegan Resto. Kakapy snack Kedelai is made from selected local soybeans which are processed by prioritizing quality. Kakapy snack Kedelai is hygienically processed and given the best natural vegan spices to create a delicious taste that will make anyone want to keep eating when they have tasted. Kakapy snack Kedelai is packaged with good packaging techniques so that it can maintain its quality and taste until it reaches your hand. Kakapy snack Kedelai contain various advantages compared to similar products on the market. Because Kakapy snack Kedelai is made from natural vegan ingredients, of course it will be free from preservative and also ingredients that contain animal. Kakapy snack Kedelai also contain various nutrients our body needs, such as vegetable protein, vitamins, and minerals. More complete content and nutritional value of Kakapy snack Kedelai will be continued by my partner, Mr. Yusril.
Okay, good morning. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Yusril Ahmadi and I will explain you about the content and the nutrition value of the snack Kakapy Kedelai product. Like previously explained, that Kakapy snack Kedelai is the content vegetable proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So, in every 100 grams Kakapy snacks Kedelai is content of 86% fibers, 24% carbohydrates, and 48% fat, and 28% of protein. And this content is certainly good to complement our daily needs. The measure of nutrition value is measured based on the average need of. Hi, good morning, sir. What can I help you? I'm just calling here for this vegan product. Yeah, we are here on the several products. This is the snack. It's called Kakapy snack Kedelai, and it's the, if you're interested about the vegans, it is the content of the nutrition value, vitamins, and minerals. That's all. And how much is the price? For the price, it's only cheap. It's about 15,000 rupiah, and you can get this delicious plus for the 100 gram of these products. Yeah, it's not expensive. It's good. And if you want to know, this is the contents. Also, in every 100 grams Kakapy snack Kedelai contents is 86% fibers, 24% carbohydrates, 48% fat, and 25% protein. And it's also the content is certainly good to complement our daily activity or daily needs. So this product is very healthy. Yeah, it's very healthy. Like what I said before, it's the contents of the values, nutrition, vitamins, and the minerals. And of course, don't worry if you want to buy early this time, this seconds, this place, don't worry. Of course, there will be 20% discount of you. So yeah, it's will definitely if you are definitely interested for this who you buy this one. And yeah,
Okay, I will try.
yeah, you will try it.
Yes,
Yeah,
I will
please.
try.
You got the two flavor also. We have the originals, like what I have right now, and once again is the spicy flavors.
So I take one of it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
And of course, like, don't worry, because there's this one. And we got also our founders here is the kind of the number science system. So,
Hello, good morning, sir. Yeah,
yes.
you are very lucky, sir. This morning, I give you the best price is discount for 20%, then 15, and then 20%. Yeah, for 12,000. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
And do you want this?
Yes, I'll try the spicy one and the
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
And if you guys are interested in buying this product, you can visit directly the Dapur Sayur Vegan Resto at the Jalan Raya Gangas Street number 1 FG Cakranegara, or the Dapur Sayur outlet, which is in front of the Success Crazy Toys number 2 2023-67 Toy Shop, and at the Jalan Selaparang Street number 166 Cakranegara.
Hello guys, thank you very much for your time and attention.
And that's all the promotion we want to convey. And good morning.
Me, Herryono Soegiarto.
And I'm Yusril Ahmadi. And yeah, thank you.